Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're logged into Expert option and have a stable internet connection. This prevents failed requests. Next, open the Trades or Positions panel so you can see active entries at a glance. Look for the asset name, whether you're long or short, the stake amount, and the expiration or open time. Once done, note current profit/loss and any pending orders. That context determines whether you'll close now or set a conditional exit. With the position selected, click the Close, Sell, or Exit control displayed next to the trade. Expert option shows confirmation details. If partial closing is available, enter the exact amount or percentage to close and watch the platform recalculate profit and remaining exposure. Make sure to check displayed fees, possible slippage, and the post-close balance preview so there are no surprises. Once you verify numbers align with your plan, confirm the action to execute an immediate market close. After confirming, open your closed trades or history to ensure the order executed and note the actual exit price and realized P&L. This documents results for your journal. If the close didn't complete, refresh the app, sign out and back in, or switch networks, then attempt again. Intermittent connectivity often causes failure. If problems persist, capture the trade ID, timestamps, and screenshots. Then contact Expert option support immediately so they can trace execution and correct any setup.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.